Good morning, children. Welcome to CA and welcome to biology class also. Good morning. Good morning. I think few more students need to be added actually. I had not one admissions are there, only 52 students. Maybe few are from mathematics if I'm correct. Chalo bachchon. This is me, your biology teacher. Good morning. Okay, children. I think remaining all are from maths. I think we can start. 52 students are added. Actually, according to my information, 101 students are there. If I am correct, remaining all are mathematics. That's why no one are getting added. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, everyone. How many of you know me? Have you ever seen me in Chaitanya? Yes, Pranav, you know. What you know? What's my name then? Boliye. Oh, really you know me? Did I teach you? Oh, really? Nice, nice. Found. Okay, got it, got it. You're all my foundation children. Are here after so long. I am seeing message from you. So happy, huh? You're all see when I take your foundation classes, you are very small, small children, huh? So I don't know how you are now. Pranav. Okay. Nice, nice. Chalo bachchon. Today, okay, first let me introduce myself. बच्चों, this is Kalyan here. I teach biology for you. Okay. And in biology department, there is one more teacher also. His name is Rakesh. Okay, Rakesh sir also will teach you, because see, basically one thing you need to understand: biology is a very, very, very big subject. Understanding it, having 38 chapters in your biology syllabus. There are 38 chapters are there. So that's why half of the chapters I will take and half of the chapters sir will take, Rakesh sir will take. And Rakesh sir will meet you on Monday. Okay, this week I will take, and next Monday he will take, from next Monday onwards he will take his classes. Okay bachcho, where you all chosen biology, that means you all wanted to become doctors. Am I correct or not? So to become doctor you need lot of hard work. Okay, so वो हार्ड वर्क करने के लिए क्या क्या, like what are the raw materials you want, all the raw materials I will provide. Understanding it, being a teacher or being your friend or being your brother, whatever it is, I will provide all the raw material. And only thing, आप अच्छा से पढ़ो and become doctor. Okay बच्चों, चलो introduce yourself बच्चों. Who, let us start today first class na, so that's why just at least introduce yourself. Who will start first बच्चों? Introduce just what's your name. When you not only Mia, you can see your friends also. Whenever you say your name na, please on your camera so that I can see you, so I can recognize who is my student. Okay, who will start? A very brief introduction, don't worry, huh? Okay, please start, someone start, so that today at least if we interact with each other, tomorrow onwards at least we can have some introduction. First 2-3 days I'll take a general introduction of biology, and from next Monday onwards I'll take my like syllabus. I'll start next Monday nahi, this Thursday onwards I will be starting my lecture. Okay, because I need to start. How many days introduction दे सकते हैं हम, है ना? इसलिए so give, otherwise I'll call. Okay, Atharv, can you introduce yourself beta? Atharv, क्या हुआ? अथर्व, चलो तेजस्विनी. Okay, Amit Doshi. क्या, you are not feeling comfortable? Be very happy in the class बच्चों. No, I think you don't know about me, but your foundation students are there, you can ask them. I'm very, very like very friendly teacher. Okay, so you can be very happy in my biology class. Okay, so be very happy and very comfortable and learn very happily. So I can assure you, guaranteed, like very nicely we can have our classes. Okay, without any tension, nothing. I am Tejashwini Deepak Kadam. Okay, I think you are hesitating to speak. That's why you are typing. Okay, no problem. So no one are coming up, that's why I'm starting my introduction. Okay, chalo bachcho, let us start. Biology. Bachcho, can any one of you tell? Sir, I am unable to unmute, not familiar. हाँ, आपको है ना इम्पार्टस प्लेटफॉर्म थोड़ा like नया है ना. So what you see from the left side, when you see from this side, left side, you can see one mic button. You can press it and you can talk. Everyone, you can talk बच्चों happily. You express your views. कुछ doubts है तो सर, why to take biology? बायोलॉजी के ऊपर कुछ लाइक यू नो होता है ना, कुछ डाउट्स है तो यू प्लीज आस्क बच्चों, एंड आस्क वेरी फ्रीली. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. Left side mic will be there bachcho, left side mic, that what you call symbol will be there. Okay, you please what you call, on that, and you can speak. Like I can listen whatever you speak, I can listen. Are who is that? Chalo. Biology. Bachcho, can anyone tell what is biology? Can anyone tell what is biology, bachcho? What you know about biology? Okay, I will tell. Bio or bios, okay, means life. Bios means क्या बच्चों? Life. Whereas logos, बच्चों logos means, sir, by biology only be doctor? No, बच्चों, no, no. Basically, it's a wrong idea. If anyone take biology, that means they have to become doctor. Otherwise, their life is waste. Bachcho, this is a wrong impression. Basically, biology means, see, I'll tell you, I am there. I took biology. Did I become doctor? I became a teacher. Understanding it? So, if you take biology, bachcho, I will tell you, biology matlab basically one what I call, a basic, the fundamental thing what you think is nothing but MBBS. That means a doctor only. Huh? है ना? MBBS. Okay. But you can take BHMS also. That means homeopathy. Otherwise, you can take BAMS also. That means Ayurvedic science. Or you can take BDS also. That means a dental science. But you're understanding it. Or you can even take the most important thing, that is biology. That means after finishing your 11th and also your 12th, you can take BSc. You can take what? BSc. What is the meaning of BSc, bachcho? Bachelor of Science. In that, you can choose either botany, or either you can choose the zoology also, or you can take microbiology also, and you can take biotechnology also, and you can take what I call food technology also. Understanding it? Like that, there are many sectors are there, bachcho. Understanding it? For example, if you take botany, for example, if you take botany, after finishing your BSc, you can enter into your masters. That means MSc. Okay, after finishing your masters, either you can go into research field, or you can be able to go for the agricultural field, or you can become a teacher. Understanding bachcho? Like that, there are multiple options. To be frank, so many options are there. I'm not exaggerating bachcho, I'm telling you fact. I'm not at all exaggerating. Even the engineering students also don't have this many opportunities what the biology has. Understanding it? So biology matlab a life securing sector. Understanding? That means somewhere you can be able to settle if you take biology. Understanding it? So biology, may you can have multiple, so many options are there here. Understanding it? So biology means only not MBBS. So please don't think in that way. Understanding it? Biology may so much of scope is there. Okay bachcho? So let us go for biology, the simple definition. So biology means, bios means life bachcho, logos means to study. Understanding it? So studying about life is called as biology. Understanding it? So the studying about life is called as what? Biology. Understanding it? That life means what? That may be plant, or that may be animal, or that may be what? Microorganisms. Understanding it? That means you take anything studying about life, it is called as biology bachcho. Understanding it? Whereas this biology, it has many branches also. Actually, biology, it is a cumulative of so many branches. What are they? For example, if you wanted to read the for example, biology, let us take, this is biology. Now you wanted to read about plants. Manlo, if you wanted to read about what? Plants. So the branch of biology which deals with studying about plants is called as botany. Understanding it, bachcho? Whereas the branch of biology that deals with studying about animals, and that is called as zoology. The branch of biology that deals with studying about the microbes, that is called as microbiology. Understanding it? Whereas the branch of biology that deals with studying about the external characters of an organism. Sir, what do you talking? What do you mean? What exactly you are telling? I will tell you. मान लो this is a person. Just imagine, example के लिए बोल रहे हैं बच्चों. Today introduction class only. That's why you feel free to ask any doubt you please ask. Okay. Now मान लो this is a person. Okay बच्चों. Now this person is tall. मान लो this person is dark. मान लो this person is having black hair. This person is having what? Gray hair. This person is having what? Eyes with blue color, and so blue eyes are there, or sometimes brown colored eyes are there, neither black eyeballs are there. Like that you are explaining this particular organism. How you are explaining, bachcho? You are explaining that organism by taking his external characters, by taking his external characters, studying about the external characteristics of any organism. That branch of biology, it is called as, yes, answer is given. I don't know who answered, but very nice, you gave other answer. That is called as morphology. Understanding it? Whereas the branch of biology that deals with the internal structure of an organism, that means, for example, the same person, let the same person अंदर वो body का अंदर क्या है? Let us take body का अंदर क्या रहेगा? Kidneys will be there, brain will be there, digestive system will be there, liver will be there, pancreas are there, spleen is there, and studying about the internal structure is called as what? Anatomy. Okay bachcho. Whereas studying about the functioning of a living organism, that means how that organism ka andar, for example, digestive system is there bachcho, that digestive system kaise kaam kar rahe hai. Let us take excretory system is there, that excretory system kaise kaam kar rahe hai. Let us take nervous system is there, that nervous system kaise kaam kar rahe hai. So studying about the functioning of that particular organ or organ system, it is called as, read it bachcho. Read it. Can anyone read it, bachcho? What is this? Physiology. Understanding it? So, and studying about inheritance of characters. For example, you are there. How you have taken birth, bachcho? You took birth by mother and father. Am I correct or not? So, mother, and that's why, for example, this is a baby. Just imagine, this is a baby. Now, sometimes the baby behave like a mother, sometimes the baby behave like father. Am I correct or not? That means you are the blend, you are the mixes, you are the mixes of the characters of both your parents, both your mother and also what? Father. That means your mother and father gave some characters to you, and that transmission of characters, it is called as inheritance. But what is that? Inheritance. And studying about that inheritance of the characters from one generation to another generation, that you are calling it as genetics. What is that, bacho? It is called as what? Genetics. So the branch of biology that deals with the transmission of characters from one generation to another generation, that is called as what? Genetics, bacho. Whereas studying about the branch of biology that studying about the changes that takes place in the organism, eventually slowly क्या होता है ना बच्चों, organisms का अंदर changes आएगा. Understanding it? For example, I think you must be knowing it also, because when you are small, your teachers used to tell, अरे यार, man is evolved from monkey. Understanding it? Actually man not evolved from monkey, man is actually evolved from the ape. Understanding it? There is an ape called as Ramophytic ape, which ape bachcho? Ramophytic, yes, name थोड़ा difficult है, but you have to remember बच्चों. I repeat once again because safety is important, that's why I repeat once again. Ramophytic ape. I repeat last time बच्चों, Ramophytic ape. From this ape only we are all evolved. Understanding it? So actually it's a wrong impression बच्चों. Some people will tell a man is evolved from monkey. No बच्चों, man is not evolved from monkey. Man is evolved from ape. And that ape name क्या है? Ramophytic ape. And that Ramophytic ape, धीरे 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 it is changed to a human being. Understanding it? That means organisms को अंदर है ना, some changes takes place, and studying about the changes, and what it is called as evolution. Someone answered it also. Okay, some Razia, if I am correct. Okay, thank you so much, beta. Okay, so it is called as what? Evolution. It is called as evolution. Understanding it? And studying about incorporating the technology into the biology. Basically biology matlab living organisms है ना, ये living organisms artificially बच्चों, by using certain techniques we can change the characteristics of that particular organisms. That changing, it is called as biotechnology. It is called as what? Biotechnology. Understanding it? And studying about the behavior of the organism. That means how, for example, I am there, how do I behave? How do I respond to the students? My foundation students, they already know how I respond. I almost play with you. Basically I'm a very very friendly person. Basically I never behave like a teacher, I always behave like a brother. So studying about the behavior of the person is called as, it is called as, yeah, many answered, psychology. Understanding it? That means how we are behaving. So these are various branches of biology bachcho. Understanding it? Again these have, for example, again zoology is there. Again the zoology has many branches. Again botany is there. Again the botany, it is having many branches. That in one class may, why unnecessarily to trouble you? Dheere dheere, slowly will increase the knowledge. Understanding it? But one, just in one class may, I don't want to put all the knowledge into your brains. I'm not, and even I'm not even expecting that also. Dheere dheere will learn. Don't think that botany matlab studying out plants ho gaya. No beta. Again botany ka andar again so many branches are there. Studying about animals, it is called zoology. Ho gaya khatam. No bachcho. Again इसका अंदर so many sub branches are there. Neurology is there, endocrinology is there. Understand? So many are there. Understanding it? So धीरे धीरे we will discuss. So this is about a brief, like chota, like small introduction about biology and its branches. So biology matlab studying about the life is called as biology. Understood bachcho? And these are the branches of biology. Okay, anything to ask bachcho? Anything you please ask bachcho, feel free. I don't know why you are not speaking. Okay, but usually मेरा class में you be interactive बच्चों. That interaction, it develops interest. Understanding it? Any doubts are there? Please ask. No doubts तो मैं थोड़ा खींचेगा मैं. No doubts? Okay, you are understanding. Hope I am not going fast. Am I going fast बच्चों? No ना? आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना मैं क्या क्या बोल रहे हैं? ओके ओके यस. और थोड़ा जस्ट टुडे फर्स्ट क्लास ना, थोड़ा ही ज्यादा मैं आपको ट्रबल नहीं करेगा. एक ही टॉपिक लेते हैं एंड आई लीव यू. ओके, जस्ट वन टॉपिक का. होप बोर तो नहीं लग रहा है ना बच्चों? बोर कैसे लगेगा? बिकॉज आई एम टेलिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. ओके, छोटा टॉपिक, वेरी स्मॉल टॉपिक आई टेक एंड देन आई लीव यू. ओके, फर्स्ट क्लास है ना, आई डोंट लाइक ट्रबल यू सो मच. ओके, नाउ इफ यू टेक biology, just now, just maybe 5 minutes हो गया ना. 5 minutes का पहले what I told, biology मतलब क्या है बच्चों? Bios means life. Okay, now I have one question बच्चों. What do you mean by life? मुझे एक ही डाउट है, सिंपल डाउट. Okay, what is life? What is life? Can anyone tell? Whatever you know, don't think about right or wrong. Okay, we are all here for to learn only, so don't worry about the mistakes. If you do mistake, I will be here to correct. Okay, existence of a matter. Okay, good, nice attempt, huh? Are still any ideas bachcho? What is life? Simple question, very simple basic question bachcho. What do you mean by life? Life matlab kya hai? Survival, yeah, very good, nice attempt, huh? One which grow, develop, evolve, show interaction. Yeah, fantastic. One of the decent answer. Interaction between biotic and abiotic factors. It is called as ecology, bachcho. No, it is not called life. Okay, it is called as ecology. So the interaction between abiotic and biotic components on the earth, it is called as ecology. Shall I write? I think if I write, then it will be good. Yes. Can you read it, bachcho? Ecology. Ecology. Understood, bachcho? Interaction, the organisms which can grow, reproduces. Yes, nice answer. So which follow biological process. Survival due to stimulus. Okay, very good. Life is a concept of biology. Nice, nice, nice. No problem, no problem. But you attempted. I'm so happy for that. So shall I tell, bachcho? Yeah, growth and evolution, responding towards stimulus. Yeah, okay, I'll tell. Chalega, shall I tell? Includes all life processes. That's very good, nice answer, huh? Yeah, I'll tell the answer. Can I? Shall I tell the answer, bachcho? Yeah, bachcho, if you take life, yeah, unique, complex. Oh, he's my student, है ना? Oh, one answer, proper answer diya. Okay, Pranav gave the proper answer. Okay, because he is my old student. Okay, now let us take life. If you take life, now bachcho, what is a basic unit of life, bachcho? Like basic fundamental unit of life is nothing but what? Cell, है ना? Now cell, but if you take elephant, or if you take giraffe, or if you take small ant or a housefly, or even a cockroach, every organism, it is made up of cell only, bachcho. Cell is a basic unit of the life. Understanding it? Now all these cells, they join to form a group, and that group of cells, it is called as, bachcho, tissue. Am I correct or not? And all these tissues, they join together to form an organ. So tissues, they join to form what, bachcho? An organ. And all the organs, they join to form kya, bachcho? All the organs join to form organ systems. Organ systems. And many organ systems, they join to form what? Body. This is called as organization of the life. Bachcho, what is this called? This is called as organization of life. Understood, bachcho? Now mera point kya hai, thoda dhyan se suno. Now I will take only one cell. मैं सिर्फ एक ही cell, only one cell. Okay, I am taking only one cell. Okay, bachcho? Now if I take one cell, now this is मान लो one cell. Okay, bachcho? Now I will grind this cell. What I will do, bachcho? I will take a mortar, and I will take a pistol. I will take a pistol, and I will put this cell, and I will make it into a paste by hitting like this. ऐसा करता है ना mothers, they will she will what I will grind the ginger, garlic and all. Understanding it? So like that, ऐसा करके I will make a paste, and I will collect this particular paste into a test tube. मान लो this is a test tube, बच्चों, and I collected all this paste, and I leave this paste for about 1 hour. मैं ऐसा ही, मैं कुछ भी नहीं करेगा बच्चों, ऐसा ही I will leave it. Then after 1 hour or 1 hour or 1.5 hour, you can be able to see this is a test tube, है ना? नीचे बच्चों, नीचे पूरा सॉलिड रहेगा, कंप्लीटली सॉलिड बच्चों, ये पूरा सॉलिड, दिस ऑल सॉलिड ओनली. नाउ ऊपर थोड़ा पानी आएगा. ऊपर थोड़ा पानी आएगा। अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? ये पानी फेंक दो, कुछ जरूर नहीं है, ये पानी सब फेंक दो। अंडरस्टैंड? हमको कोई यूज नहीं है उससे। ओके, दैट्स व्हाई वी टेक ओनली। सर नो वॉइस, ऐसे कैसे होता है बच्चों? मेरा वॉइस नहीं आ रहे है। बेटा आई थिंक आपका नेटवर्क थोड़ा स्लो है। आप एक काम करो बेटा, एक बार है ना लॉग आउट करके और एक बार लॉग इन, आपको आपको प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा। ओके, एक बार लॉग आउट एंड लॉग इन, आपको इश्यू सॉल्व हो जाएगा। ओके, सी रिमाइनिंग ऑल स्टूडेंट्स कैन लिसन। ओनली आपका आपका प्रॉब्लम मतलब मे बी सम नेटवर्क इश्यू इज देयर। आप लॉग आउट, एक बार लॉग आउट करके लॉग इन करो, आपका इश्यू पूरा सॉल्व हो जाएगा बेटा। ओके, चलो आई थिंक ही विल डू दैट। हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे बेटा ना। मैं एक ही सेल लेता है बाहर, में एक ही सेल लेता है एंड आई विल paste that particular vertical cell, and that paste है ना I will take it in the test tube, and I will leave the test tube for 1.5 hour. Okay, after 1.5 hour I can see some solid, it is settled down, that means at the bottom of the test tube, and उसका ऊपर थोड़ा लिक्विड रहेगा। ये लिक्विड मुझे काम नहीं है, कुछ काम का नहीं है, सो लिक्विड छोड़ दो, रिमूव दिस लिक्विड एंड टेक ओनली दिस सॉलिड, टेक ओनली द solid, and you observe this particular solid, then you can be able to see various what is this बच्चों? Biomolecules. Understanding it? That means हमारा cell, it is made up of what बच्चों? हमारा cell, it is made up of what? Various biomolecules. Understanding it? Sir, what are biomolecules? For example, if I take biomolecules, what are biomolecules? Of course I will tell. If you don't tell, don't worry at all. Can anyone tell? If you don't tell, I will tell, but can anyone try to tell what is the meaning of what are biomolecules बच्चों? Proteins. Okay, next one is what? Fats. And the next one is what? Carbohydrates. And nucleic acids. न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स बच्चों, न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स मतलब पता है बच्चों? न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स मतलब डीएनए एंड आरएनए। ओके बेटा, understand it? So these are all what? Various biomolecules. That means our life is made up of an unique combination of biomolecules. Understood bachcho? Now tell me, what is the meaning of life? Life is, one second I will rub, because board pura like bhar gaya na. Let me rub and I'll make some space so that I can write. Okay bachcho? Yes. What is life bachcho? Life is a unique combination. Life is a unique combination of various biomolecules, which express themselves in form of various chemical reactions. That means what is life बच्चों? हमारा life, it is a combination बच्चों, हमारा life, it is a combination of various biomolecules, and that biomolecules, they are expressing. For example, I am there, I am expressing na, I wanted to teach you some introduction class, like 2-3 days I will take only introduction. Okay bachcho? So in this 2-3 days I wanted to tell you some basics of biology, so I am expressing myself. How I am expressing? By talking. Like that, the biomolecules that are present in the cell, they are also expressing. How they are expressing? They are expressing by themselves in form of various chemical reactions. And this unique combination of biomolecules and their expression in form of chemical reactions, and that only are calling it as a life. बच्चों, what is life? समझ में है ना बच्चों? Please tell me, what is life? You understood? और एक बार बोलूं मैं? Please ask बच्चों, feel free to ask. Okay, you ask any number of times. till you understand, because you should understand, otherwise है ना आपको problems आएगा. Okay, now anyone in the class voluntarily come out and tell me what is life. It is still there on the board, you can read it also at least. So what is life, बच्चों? Anyone answer me please. फर्स्ट क्लास है ना, इसलिए आपको थोड़ा अजीब अजीब लग रहे हैं, इसलिए आप नहीं बात कर रहे. 2-3 क्लासेस होने के बाद आप अच्छे से जमना है, so that you can speak. Okay, first class I don't trouble you. Okay sir, that means next class you will trouble. I never trouble, I'll make you to speak, itna hi, understanding it, don't worry. So you are not repeating, at least let me repeat. Okay, life is a unique combination of various biomolecules. Life is an unique combination of various biomolecules which are expressing themselves in form of various chemical reactions, and that is called as life. बच्चों understood? Anyone has any confusions? बच्चों life मतलब समझ में है? कुछ confusions है तो please ask. No doubt. Okay sir, which reaction? That reaction, it may be for digestion, that reaction it may be for excretion, that reaction it may be for what called respiration, and that any reaction. See, for example, if you take a cell, the cell it perform many chemical reactions, and that chemical reactions it may be for food, that means what, nutrition, or it may be for digestion, or it may be for respiration, or it may be for circulation, or it may be for excretion, it may be in form of anything bachcho, anything, understanding it, any chemical reaction. So for example, for I'll tell you example के लिए बोल रहे, for example RBC is there, example के लिए बोल रहे बच्चों, RBC बच्चों RBC मतलब पता है ना, red blood corpuscle. व्हाट इज दैट बच्चों? रेड ब्लड कॉर्पसल. और सर कॉर्पसल लिखना है क्या? मत लिखो, आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो मत लिखो बेटा. देन यू राइट रेड ब्लड सेल. ये रेड ब्लड सेल चलेगा ना. इफ यू टेक रेड ब्लड सेल, दैट रेड ब्लड सेल, मान लो दिस इज अ रेड ब्लड कॉर्पसल, इसका अंदर देयर इज अ पिगमेंट, a respiratory pigment is there, and that respiratory pigment it is called as, you only read it बच्चों, what is this बच्चों? Hemoglobin. And this hemoglobin it continuously perform one chemical reaction. What is that chemical reaction? You know, binding with oxygen. Understanding it? That means RBC cells they perform the chemical reaction. What? Respiration. No sir, दूसरा example बोलिए, because I wanted to learn or ज़्यादा I wanted to learn. Okay, I will explain you. Let us take kidney cells. बच्चों kidney cells पता है ना बच्चों? किडनी सेल्स आपको पता है? किडनी सेल्स आर कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? nephrons. Kidney cells are called as what? Nephrons. Now nephrons है ना, they continuously participate in a reaction. What is that reaction बच्चों? For excretion. For what बच्चों? Excretion. Understanding it? Whereas for example liver cells are there. बच्चों liver cells पता है ना बच्चों आपको? Liver cells सबको पता है ना? Liver cells are called as what? They are called as what? Hepatocytes. They are called as what bachcho? Hepatocytes. And hepatocytes, these cells they always participate in the chemical reaction to produce what? Bile secretion. Bile juice secretion, which helps in digestion. Which helps in what? Digestion. That means हर एक सेल बच्चों, हर एक सेल has its own function. वो function का हिसाब से, वो function का अनुसार they will perform their own chemical reactions. बेटा समझ में ना? I don't know who asked, but who asked? I'm sorry, I did not see. what do you call? हर्षदा. हर्षदा समझ में ना बेटा? हर्षदा ओके, वेरी गुड. ओके, और कुछ डाउट है तो यू प्लीज आस्क बेटे, नो प्रॉब्लम. यू प्लीज फील फ्री टू आस्क एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क. ओके बेटा. नाउ अभी तक आई एक्सप्लेन अबाउट लाइफ है ना बेटा? अभी तक आई एक्सप्लेन अबाउट लाइफ. नाउ आई हैव वन पॉइंट टू आस्क. व्हाट इज दैट पॉइंट? ये एनी ऑर्गेनिज्म, मान लो this is one organism है ना, this is one organism. Any organism wanted to die बच्चों, you only tell. So it's a simple question. It's not even question also, it is just an information. Any organism wanted to die? No na, no organism wanted to die, but basically every organism wanted to live. Understanding it now, if any organism wanted to live, that means they wanted to continue their life. So they always wanted to continue their life. No organism wanted to die. But my point kya hai na, how they will maintain their life. क्वेश्चन समझ में ना, आंसर छोड़ दो. सी आंसर मेरा सिर पे छोड़ दो, आई विल एक्सप्लेन योर आंसर. बट आपको क्वेश्चन समझ में है ना, मेरा क्वेश्चन क्या है ना, एवरी ऑर्गेनिज्म वांटेड टू लिव है ना, हाउ द ऑर्गेनिज्म इज लिविंग, वो ऑर्गेनिज्म लाइफ कैसे मेंटेन कर रहे हैं, दैट इज माय क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन समझ में है ना? यस, आंसर भी मिल गया मेरा. वरुण गेव द आंसर. Even Nimbalkar also gave the answer. Yes, very good. Nice, nice. Everyone gave very good answers. Okay. Now, any organism can maintain the life by life process. By what, bachcho? Life process. Bachcho, what is life process? What is life process? The basic processes, which helps the organism, the basic processes which helps the organisms to maintain life is called as life process. The basic or the fundamental process which is performed by the organism to maintain the life, it is called as life process. Sir, what are the basic process? I understood. Life process matlab the basic or fundamental processes performed by an organism to maintain life. Sir, what are the basic processes? The basic processes are, the first one is nutrition. The very first one is what, bachcho? Nutrition. And the second one, after nutrition, first of all, eating. Aap to khana खाना hai. So nutrition matlab what? Eating. And after that, bachcho, after eating food, the food must be digested. So after that, the food is digested. So digestion. And after digestion, what is that? Circulation. And after circulation, kya bachcho? Respiration. And after respiration, what is that? Excretion. So these are the basic processes. Any organism, बच्चों, you take any organism, ये पूरा दुनिया में, ये पूरा earth planet में, how many ever organisms are there? All the organisms without any like deviation ही नहीं है. Without any deviation, every organism has to eat. Understanding it. For example, you are there, bachcho. Why to talk about some other organism? I am talking about you. Can you be able to survive without eating, bachcho? Simple question. It's not even a question. Will you be able to be alive without food? No na. So basic requirement क्या है ना? Nutrition, food. And the food, okay, आपको खाना खाया, आपको एनर्जी मिलेगा क्या? Will you be able to live? You ate food, beta, you ate food, है ना? Just by eating food, will you be able to live? No, that food hai na, it need to undergo digestion. It need to undergo what? Digestion. Why, sir? Because when you are eating food, मान लो you are eating some roti. Let us take some rice. Let us take some dal. They are present in complex form, बच्चों. Basically, आप खाना खा रहे हैं ना, that खाना में that molecules are present in a complex form. Understanding it? इतना complicated form में body cannot be able to utilize. That's why they need to convert into simple form. सर क्या बात कर रहे हैं सर? व्हाट यू आर टॉकिंग सर? ओके, मैं थोड़ा क्लियरली बात करेगा, देन आपको समझ में आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू हैड फूड. एग्जाम्पल के लिए बोल रहे, मान लो यू हैड फूड, क्योंकि आपको समझ में आना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, मान लो यू हैड फूड. ना फूड में मान लो यू हैड सम रोटी. ओके बेटा, नाउ यू हैड सम राइस, चावल. Now you had some some curry. ओके, सम कर्री, अंडरस्टैंडिंग। नाउ रोटी में क्या रहेगा बच्चों? प्रोटीन्स। नाउ राइस में क्या रहेगा बच्चों? राइस में कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स। And for example, if you take curry, curry mein what will be there? So many minerals are there, fiber will be there, and especially fats, because curry banane ke liye thoda मम्मा पापा मम्मी है ना, शी विल पुट लिटिल अमाउंट ऑफ ऑयल. फॉर एग्जांपल भिंडी का भजिया, भिंडी का फ्राई बनाना है, मदर ऑब्वियसली शी विल पुट दिस मच ऑफ ऑयल, है ना? am I correct? Not that means इसमें थोड़ा fats will be there. Now that means बच्चों if you take proteins, carbohydrates, fats, they are the complex forms, they are the complex forms. इतना complicated form में cell cannot be able to utilize, our body cannot be able to utilize it, understanding it? That's why the proteins, they have to break down to form simple units called as amino acids. Carbohydrates, they need to break to simple forms called as what? Glucose. And fats, they need to break to simple forms called as what? Fatty acids. Now this fatty acids and glucose and amino acids हमारा body can be able to use, but proteins हमारा body cannot be able to use because they are very complicated form. बच्चों समझ में है ना? And this process of breaking down of the complex food material to simple food material is called as a digestion. अभी समझ में है ना बच्चों? digestion मतलब, बच्चों digestion समझ में है ना बच्चों? Okay. Now, just by digestion, we can't be able to live, bachcho. The digested food, it has to reach to every cell that is present in our body. And for transport, what is required? Circulation. And after it reaches the food, it reaches to all the cells. And after reaching to every cell, the food, it need to produce some energy. Am I correct or not? That's why the energy producing बच्चों, am I audible now? बच्चों, am I audible now? Okay. कुछ नहीं, थोड़ा पावर कट हुआ, आई एम सॉरी. अभी अभी ठीक हो गया ना? ओके. ना आप कुछ भी करो बच्चों, whatever you eat, that खाना में some waste material will be there, and that waste material body में ही रहेगा, मतलब body पूरा spoil हो जाएगा. That's why that waste material should be eliminated out, and that elimination is called as what? Excretion. It is called as what बच्चों? Excretion. It is called as excretion. That means these are the fundamental process, bachcho, the fundamental processes that will be performed by an organism to maintain that life is called as what? Life processes. What are the fundamental process? 1, nutrition. 2, digestion. 3, circulation. 4, what is the 4? Respiration. And the 5th one is excretion. Understood bachcho? So these are the life processes. Okay bachcho? Okay. Any doubts? Please ask bachcho. Any doubts? No doubts? Okay. So this is a like base, sir. Does not digestion fall under? No bachcho. No. Nutrition matlab eating. Digestion matlab it takes place in our digestive system. न्यूट्रिशन मतलब क्या है ना? गैदरिंग द फूड, कलेक्टिंग द फूड, इट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? न्यूट्रिशन. डाइजेशन मतलब ब्रेकिंग दैट फूड इनटू सिंपल सॉल्युबल मैटर, इट इज कॉल्ड एज डाइजेशन. ओके बेटा? वरुण समझ में ना बेटा? वरुण ओके बच्चों, दिस इज अ सर रेस्पिरेशन इज आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोसेस. यस, बिना फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ रेस्पिरेशन इज नॉट देयर तो देर इज नो एनर्जी, आपका बॉडी में एनर्जी नहीं रहेगा. ओके बच्चों, सो रेस्पिरेशन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. I will tell. Today is first class ना, that's why I gave little introduction. Tomorrow class में nutrition मतलब क्या है, digestion मतलब क्या है, sir everything like पूरा का पूरा 3 दिन only fundament like basics only I will tell. 3-4 दिन only basics, and after that only we will start हमारा 11th syllabus. So don't worry. So today because it's a first class, थोड़ा थोड़ा basic things I gave. Okay बच्चों. ओके सबको समझ में आना बच्चों? एनीवन हैज एनीथिंग टू से बिफोर आई लीव? टुडे इज द इंट्रोडक्शन क्लास बच्चों, दैट्स व्हाई I gave like basic things. Okay, and tomorrow's class onwards धीरे धीरे I will increase थोड़ा quantity to you up understanding it. धीरे धीरे I will increase. Okay बच्चों, चलो मिलेगा कल. एंड आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट ग्रुप फॉर बायोलॉजी बच्चों, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट, एंड प्लीज ज्वाइन इनटू दैट बायोलॉजी ग्रुप. ओके ओके, बाय चिल्ड्रन, थैंक यू सो मच, एंड इट्स वेरी 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 नाइस टू मीट यू ऑल. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ HW बच्चों? विच बुक बच्चों? होमवर्क, नो होमवर्क फॉर 3-4 days, नो होमवर्क बच्चों, बिकॉज नाउ आई एम टेकिंग बेसिक्स ना बेटा. सो बेसिक्स में क्या होमवर्क दो? एटलीस्ट 3-4 days है ना, आप आराम से सुनो. बायोलॉजी मतलब क्या है यू प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. धीरे धीरे वी विल स्टार्ट. ओके बच्चों, धीरे धीरे. अच्छा, एक ही क्लास में सब डालना अच्छा नहीं है बेटा. वी विल गो स्लोली. Okay, books I will tell you in the group beta. Now I have class, another class. After finishing my class I will send one WhatsApp group for you. You join in that group and I'll discuss all the books, what books you wanted to have, everything I will explain. Okay bachcho, bye.